Good morning. Black coffee. Needed it today. The Millennial Vegan here, back with another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to my channel, The Millennial Vegan. Make sure you hit that little bell so you get notified of when I drop a new video. It's morning, just woke up. We have washed our face, brushed our teeth. We have prayed to whomever we pray to. And now it's time for pancakes. Let's make these pancakes, bruh. Let's get this party started. So here are our ingredients. We have 1 cup of flour, tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of non-dairy milk, preferably vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of good old apple cider vinegar. So first you make your vegan buttermilk, and you do that by adding the apple cider vinegar to the milk, stirring it and letting it sit while you prepare the other ingredients. Next, in a medium bowl, you mix all the dry ingredients together and you just stir them up until they're well combined. Then you take your vegan buttermilk that you had sitting, it's ready to be mixed in. You use a whisk and you just whisk them all together until it's pretty well combined. It's very important to not skip this next step, which is to let the batter sit for 5 minutes. You really need it to bubble up and let it work. So you take your nonstick pan. I added some vegan butter. That's optional, you don't have to do that. You can also add oil or any kind of spray, it's totally up to you. But to cook the pancakes, I used the ½ cup measuring cup, and I just poured it on there in a kind of circular form. And I waited until I saw the bubbles, and I knew it was time to flip them over. So basically you cook both sides until they are golden brown. And that's pretty much it, super easy. And this is the final product. Beautiful, golden, fluffy, thick, succulent vegan pancakes. And then you have the pancakes that you've always desired. So yeah, try it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Millennial Vegan. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of these pancakes. Try them out and enjoy those pancakes. And until next time, peace from The Millennial Vegan.